Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a clip in the CapCut app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just tap on the project that we want to work on. Then we find the clip that we want to replace, we tap on it, and then in the bottom bar we scroll to the right until we find replace, and we tap on replace, and then we tap on a picture that we want to replace the selected clip with. So for example this one, and then that's basically it. After we have tapped on it, then that's it. So I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.